Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today's video is about fluid replacement. And it's not for us guys. It is for our pets. Your cats, your dogs. And why do we need to buy fluid replacement for a cat and dog? Well, they can need it if they have diarrhea, if they are dehydrated, and if you have a dog that worked very hard and you need to replace that fluid, what the dog has lost through that hard work. So the dog needs or cat need to recover, okay? It's the same purpose for us humans. We need electrolytes to recover, okay? We lose electrolytes when we are sweating, when it's hot outside, and when we work hard, so we are sweating, okay? So we need to replace it by ourselves. So why don't we do that for our pets? Okay? And you get the fluid replacement in a bucket like this, 400 grams, and it contains glucose, potassium, natrium, magnesium, zinc, chloride, etc. So, my wife bought this because this could be very useful, and my wife said, why don't we buy these as a prep item? And I said, that is a great idea to buy one of these. We buy fluid replacement for ourselves. Why don't we buy it for our 2 cats? So, you can probably find these on a veterinarian station or a pharmacy or drugstore or whatever you want to call it. So, if you want to prep for your dog and cat, why don't you get some fluid replacement for them so you have them? Because they will need it at some point. So, besides, the measurements are easy to follow, by the way. 1 dose, small dog up to 10 kilos, or small cat up to 10 kilos. Well, a 10-kilo cat is pretty big cat, but it is a 1 dose. So, if you have a dog that weighs 10 to 20 kilos, you have 2 doses. So it's simple. You can't do this wrong, okay? And I think this is a good prep item for your pets. And by the way, this is on Swedish, so I know you can't read it, but that's why I try to explain it for you. Well, it's I consider this is a good idea to have, and buy 1 or buy 2. And stock up on these for your pets. So that's it for today's video, guys. And sorry if I'm a little bit distracted because I'm tired. I haven't gotten much sleep the last couple of days, so that's why. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to ring the bell. so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live, okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, take care, be prepared, and God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.